Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 7 students. Hope you all will be in good health. Today we are going to continue the same topic of singular and plurals. Today we will learn that how we convert a compound noun, a singular compound noun into a plural one. But before proceeding to that, first of all, we should know what a compound noun is. A compound noun is made up of two or more words which are sometimes joined to form a single word. A compound noun is made up of two or more than two words and they are joined and they make a new word or linked by a hyphen. This is the sign of hyphen. Sometimes they link two words with the help of a hyphen and that makes a new word which is a compound noun, or sometimes they simply join two words and make a compound noun. For example, coffee cups. Now coffee is a separate noun and cups is another noun. So they have joined these two nouns, coffee and cups, and they make a compound noun, coffee cups. Similarly, another example can be swimming pools. Now swimming is a word and pools is another word. When we combine these two words, swimming pools, now it becomes a compound noun. Okay? Word processor, word and processor, these are two words, okay, and when we combine them it becomes a single word, a compound noun, word processor. So I hope you would have understood what compound noun is. Now what is hyphen? The sign, this is the sign, okay, used to join words to indicate that they have a combined meaning. This sign is used to join the words and then they give a combined meaning. So for example, sit-ins, okay, sit in. So we combine these two words and with a hyphen, brother-in-law, brother-in-law, three words, okay, and we put a hyphen in between these words and it gives a compound noun to us. Now the main thing is that how can we convert a compound noun into a plural noun, okay? How you convert a compound noun into a plural noun. Today we are going to study about that. Add s or es to the second word. The first step or the first thing is you have to add s or es with the second word if the second word is a noun. Okay, if the second word is a noun, you have to add s or es. Examples are swimming pools. Now swimming pools, we have added s with the second word. Coffee cup, so coffee cups, we have added s with the second word. Word processors, sit-ins, okay, we simply have added s with the second word. The second rule is if the first word is a noun but the second word is not. If the first word of a compound noun is a noun but the second word is not a noun, then how will you convert it into a plural noun? Make the first word plural instead. In this case, you have to make the first word plural. Okay, you will not add s with the second word if the first word is a noun. Understand? Here passerby is a compound noun, okay. So passers-by, we have added s with the first word because the first word is a noun and the second word is not a noun, okay. The second example is brother-in-law. Now you can see here it is combined or this is joined with a hyphen, okay. Brother, then it's a hyphen, in law. Now the first word is noun here, so we will add as here to make it a plural compound noun. Brothers in law. The last is lady in waiting. So we will add IES because it is ending with Y and there is a consonant before Y. So we will add IES, ladies in waiting. Okay, so this is how you change a compound noun into a plural one. Now open your grammar skills book. Open your grammar skills and open page number 5. Page number 5. I have explained these things to you, okay? Now come to exercise E. Form 10 compound nouns by taking one word from box A and one word from box B. The first thing which you have to do here, you have to take one word from box A, one word from box B, and you will make a compound noun. This is the first step, okay? And secondly, what you have to do, then make each compound noun plural. Now then you will make the compound noun plural and you will look to the words that whether you have to put S with the first word or with the second word. So look here. The first is bench. Bench. So the mark, bench mark. The suitable or the appropriate word for bench will be mark to make it a compound noun. Benchmark. So we will make it plural by adding S, benchmarks. The second is break. Break in. Okay, break in. When we combine break and in, it will become a new compound noun, a new word, break in. Break in, break ins. Third is class. So class room. Class room. In singular you will write classroom and for making it plural you will add S with the rooms. Classrooms. The fourth word is hair. So hair, which can be dryer. Hair dryer. So hair dryer, we have joined these two words with a hyphen. Hair dryers. Okay. Then oil painting. So you can see here oil and one word is taken from the second box, painting, oil painting. We will make it plural by adding S with the paintings, oil paintings. Then the next word is photo. So photo, the appropriate word for making it compound noun will be album. Okay, photo album. Photo album. Now we will make it plural by adding S with albums. Photo albums. Then post. Post office. Okay, post office. Post offices. Runner up. Runner up. Runners up. Now here you can see that the first word is noun and the second word is not a noun. So we will make it plural by adding S with the first word which is a noun. Okay, runners up. Then screw driver. Screw driver. So here the second word is a noun. So we will make it plural by adding S with the second word. Screwdrivers. Wine bottle. Wine is taken from the first box and bottle from the second box. Wine bottle. So wine bottle we can make it plural by adding S with the second word. So this is all about your today's classwork. Your homework is this. Now use each of these plural nouns in a sentence of your own. You will use these plural nouns in sentences. You will make a sentence by your own. Okay, you will make a sentence by your own and use these plural nouns, not the singular one. Use the plural nouns for making sentence. Understand? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.